Now, if I stop the expansion by the few terms, like I stopped by two terms, so e raised to the power zero point 0.5 is 1.5. If I stop the term by three terms, we have a more accurate solution. If I stop the expansion by four terms, so that the more accurate solution we will have. So as many term I will include in the sequence, the answer of this e raised to the power 0.5 will be much closer to the previous answer. So that is the way of expressing the different expansions by using the Maclaurin series. So I am going to close this meeting, and after that, in a new meeting, I will explain the same example with the Microsoft Excel.